The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Baleno stands tall as one of India's most popular and stylish hatchbacks, blending head-turning design with everyday practicality in a way that appeals to a wide range of buyers, from young professionals and first-time car owners to small families and city commuters. Over the years, the Baleno nameplate has built a strong reputation in the Indian market, and the 2026 model takes everything that made its predecessors successful and refines it with thoughtful updates, a fresh design language, improved comfort, smart connectivity, and a focus on value that few competitors can match. In a segment crowded with choices, the Baleno continues to set benchmarks for style, efficiency, and versatility, a true testament to Maruti Suzuki's understanding of what Indian buyers want in a modern hatchback. The first thing that strikes you about the 2026 Baleno is its bold and contemporary design, a step forward from earlier iterations. The exterior is defined by clean, aerodynamic lines that give the car a sleek and modern persona, while the slightly more aggressive front fascia featuring a redesigned grille and stylish LED headlights sets it apart from the crowd. The Baleno's silhouette flows gracefully from front to rear, with a coupe-like roofline that adds flair without compromising practicality. Premium alloy wheels, refined body sculpting, and attractive color options enhance the car's dynamic stance, making it a vehicle that not only looks good in the driveway but feels confident on the road. Maruti Suzuki has struck a fine balance here. The Baleno is trendy enough to appeal to younger buyers while remaining tasteful and refined for mature drivers who want a stylish yet understated hatchback. Moving inside, the 2026 Baleno's cabin underscores Maruti Suzuki's efforts to improve comfort and usability. The interior is designed to create a welcoming atmosphere with its thoughtful layout, quality materials, and user-friendly interface. Despite being a hatchback, the Baleno offers surprisingly spacious interiors with plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, a key factor for Indian families or anyone who regularly takes longer journeys. The seating feels supportive, and the use of soft-touch materials in key areas enhances the overall feel of quality. Clever storage spaces throughout the cabin, including door pockets, cup holders, and small cubbies, add to the practicality, ensuring the drivers and passengers have convenient places to keep personal items. In terms of technology, the 2026 Baleno is well equipped to meet modern expectations. A large, responsive touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage on the dashboard, supporting seamless smartphone integration through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Whether it's navigation, music streaming, or hands-free calling, the system is intuitive and convenient, making daily commutes and long trips more enjoyable. Complementing this is a digital analog instrument cluster that presents driving information clearly, helping the driver stay informed with minimal distraction. Additional tech-friendly touches like steering-mounted controls, automatic climate control, and keyless entry enhance convenience and contribute to a comfortable ownership experience that feels premium without inflating the price tag. What makes the 2026 Baleno especially appealing to the Indian market is its balanced performance and fuel efficiency, a combination that many buyers prioritize when choosing a hatchback. Under the hood, Maruti Suzuki offers a well-tuned petrol engine that delivers smooth, responsive performance in city traffic while also providing enough punch for highway cruising. The engine's refinement and flexibility make driving in stop-and-go traffic less tiring, while the efficient fuel consumption keeps running costs manageable, an important consideration for everyday users. Depending on the variant and transmission choice, drivers can select between manual and automatic gearboxes, allowing them to tailor their driving experience based on preference and lifestyle. This versatility, coupled with Maruti Suzuki's reputation for producing fuel-efficient vehicles, makes the Baleno a practical choice for anyone focused on value over the long term. The ride and handling characteristics of the 2026 Baleno are tuned to suit Indian roads and diverse driving conditions. The suspension setup absorbs uneven surfaces and urban imperfections effectively, providing a comfortable ride for occupants without feeling overly stiff. Steering feedback remains light and predictable at lower speeds, making city driving and parking easier, yet stays composed and reassuring at higher speeds on the highway. This balance allows the Baleno to handle a variety of road scenarios with confidence, from tight inner city streets to open expressways during long weekend getaways. Drivers often appreciate this adaptability, especially in a country like India where road conditions can vary widely from place to place. Safety has become an increasingly important factor for Indian car buyers, and the 2026 Baleno addresses this with a solid suite of safety features that enhance peace of mind behind the wheel. Standard safety equipment includes multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic brake force distribution, rear parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders, essentials that contribute to better protection for occupants and pedestrians alike. While the Baleno may not be as large as SUVs or crossovers, Maruti Suzuki's focus on structural integrity and safety engineering ensures that the car delivers dependable performance in everyday driving situations. Buyers who prioritize safety without wanting to trade off style or efficiency will find this an attractive balance. Another area where the Baleno excels is value for money. Maruti Suzuki offers the 2026 Baleno in multiple variants with a wide range of features, giving buyers the flexibility to choose a model that best aligns with their needs and budget. From well-equipped mid-range variants to top-end trims loaded with convenience features, infotainment amenities, and comfort-enhancing touches, there's an option for everyone. This range helps the Baleno appeal to a broad audience, from young professionals buying their first car to small families seeking a dependable and stylish daily driver. Ownership experience remains one of the Baleno's strong suits, thanks in large part to Maruti Suzuki's extensive service network across India. Whether you live in a major city or a smaller town, accessing authorized service centers and maintenance support is relatively easy, a factor that greatly enhances ownership confidence. Spare parts are widely available and often affordable, which keeps long-term maintenance costs reasonable. Many owners appreciate how trouble-free regular servicing can be, adding to the overall appeal of choosing a Baleno as a practical and dependable daily companion. Resale value is another practical advantage that the Baleno typically enjoys. Its strong brand reputation, consistent performance, and ongoing demand in the used car market contribute to healthy resale figures, making it an attractive option for buyers who think ahead to future value retention. This can be especially important for those who view a car not just as a mode of transport but also as a financial decision that should hold value over time. Beyond technical specifications and features, what truly sets the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Baleno apart in the Indian market is the emotional connection it has built with buyers. It's a car that feels familiar and reassuring, yet exciting and stylish enough to stay relevant in an ever-evolving automotive landscape. For many, it represents a smart balance combining aesthetic appeal with everyday practicality, modern features with sensible pricing, and enjoyable driving dynamics with fuel-efficient performance. In a segment where buyers are often overwhelmed with choices, the Baleno continues to distinguish itself by delivering a complete package that feels right for Indian roads and Indian lifestyles. It doesn't rely on flashy gimmicks or overcomplicated tech. Instead, it offers what most buyers truly want: a stylish look, efficient performance, pleasant comfort, dependable safety, and a sense of value that extends far beyond the showroom. Whether you are a young driver looking for a personality-packed first car, a commuter seeking reliability and low running costs, or a small family in search of a versatile daily driver, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Baleno remains one of the most compelling choices in the hatchback segment. With its striking design, intelligent features, and all-round capabilities, the Baleno continues to prove that it's not just a hatchback, it's a stylish, practical, and rewarding driving experience tailored to modern Indian life. If you'd like, I can turn this into a YouTube description with SEO tags, hashtags, and related search keywords for your upload.